Hello. So in the previous video, we created our cluster. It went from the starting state to the waiting state, and now it is ready to go. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to actually connect to the cluster. So what you're going to want to have is git bash. That's what I'm going to be using right now. I will be providing a link to git bash. This is just a command line terminal. Now, this is going to be a little tricky. I'm not going to lie to you. This was giving me issues when I was trying to work with this, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually type this out. SSHI. Trying to make this a little bit pretty for you guys. SSHI. And then we're gonna be typing a path towards our key pair that we made in the previous video. Now, if you're on Windows and you're not familiar with trying to find your path to your key pair, usually it's in the download section, right? But we don't want to go straight into it. We're gonna want to go to our local disk, okay, and then users, and then it's usually gonna be kind of your name or username or something. Okay, then once you're there, you're gonna go to downloads. Okay, now you end up in the download section anyway, but the thing is you wanna have this file path here. So you're gonna copy the address, okay? All right, you're gonna paste it. And then you're gonna go into, back into git bash, right? You're gonna delete that first slash, and then you're gonna put the two dots. For some reason I'm blanking out. All right, now you're gonna go back into your files and you're gonna notice that your key pair is a .pem file. Now I want you to go in there and rename it to a .cer file. Now I've already done that ahead of time because I just wanted to test it out. Okay, so again, you want to switch the ending of it from a .pem to a .cer file. This is a recent change that Amazon made that in order for this to just work, it needs to be a .cer file, even though that option is not available in the key pair settings. So again, you want to really, it's not gonna work. I'm telling you, like I spent the whole day trying to get my cluster to work, but only to find out that it wasn't working just because I had it under, it was .pem where it should have been a .cer. So you're gonna physically type out .cer, hit enter, say okay, say yes. You should be good to go. Okay. So once that's done, you will be typing the name of your file. So I'm gonna actually just copy and paste it out here because I don't want to mess it up. Put a slash on there at the end, and then just paste it. Where's my paste? Okay, I don't know. It's acting up a little bit, so I'm just gonna type it out. Key pair. Hopefully, I don't spell it wrong. CER. Okay. Now the next thing you're gonna put is hadoop space hadoop, and then the @ symbol. You're gonna go into your cluster and copy your DNS. Okay, copy that, and then you're just gonna paste it on here, and you should be good to go. See, and once you see the screen, that means you connected successfully. Okay, now this is just gonna be a short video because if you guys do have questions, just leave them in the comment section. I'm not going to show you guys how to upload anything into the actual cluster yet, just because I don't want to mix questions with people telling me that, hey, I need help, doing some steps where they need to upload the files into the cluster with the questions of people, trying to connect to the cluster, So I kind of just want to make it separate. So this is just going to be a video showing you guys how to connect to it. All right.